In this video I am going to explain the remember me function. So in here inside this input field the type is checkbox and I have given a unique ID called remember me. When the user click on the sign in button, the sign in function will invoke and it will get the elements and assign it to these variables. So to get the value of a checkbox we need to use .check because checkbox returns us boolean values, and after getting those values we are sending those values to the backend server, the sign-in process.php. So inside this sign-in process.php we receive all those values and assign those values to these variables, and in these if else if statements we check the validations of email and password. After email and password pass all those validations, we come to this last else statement and get the user that has this email and password, and if a user exists that means user successfully logged into the system. And inside this I have written another if. So this if what it does is it check whether the remember me equals to true. So if the remember me equals to true, we created two cookies. The first one cookie name is email and the value is the user's email, and the time the expiration date will be next year. Same thing here, set cookie, we create a cookie and the name of the cookie is password, the value is the user's password, and it's going to expire in an year, so it's going to expire in next year. So if we go to the index.php, I have created two variables called email and password, and there are two if statements. The first is if statement, it checks if there's a cookie called email. If it is true, then give that email cookie's email value and assign it to this email variable, and I'm going to set this email variable inside this input field, inside this email input field. And the next one is also the same, check whether if the password cookie exists. If there's a cookie called password, so if there is a cookie called password, assign that cookie's password value to this password variable, and I have set this password variable into this password input field. So now I'm going to show you the process. If I'm going to give remember me and sign in, I'm going to sign out and go back to the sign in page. As you can see, the email and password is saved in this input field, and if I click with sign in without giving remember me and sign out, those two input the email and the password is not here anymore. And another thing is, if we go to this edit this cookie extension, inside this extension you can see the two cookies that I created. The email cookie, the value is the email theshan@gmail.com, and it's going to expire next year, 2024. Same thing, password, this is the password 123. It's going to expire, this cookie, the password cookie is going to expire in next year 2024. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.